Hello, everyone. Welcome back to chapter 3. And today we're going to talk about compound interest. And we're going to relate on the finance applications. And also, we're going to do with geometric sequence and recurrence relations. So, geometric growth and decades, we can say from this. Compound interest investment first. Uh, I want you guys to have a look the compound interest investment first. So, what is compound interest? The compound interest is sometimes calculated using the simple interest model, but it is more like commonly calculated this compound interest, which is we're gonna have to know what's your period for one period for adding the principal and contributes for the interest earned for the next time period. So we just build it by each terms. Um, so this is a classic with recurrence relation. So we know V0 is principal, which is your start beginning, which is the initial values. The N is your how many years we recurrence invest after how many years, and R is percentage for the rates for the compound periods. And recurrence model, which is we need to know our initial principal, and also we need to know after how many periods, and then what is your total investment monies. And put this one to a bit on reference, which is we need to know what is the representing. So R equal to 100% plus your how many percentage per each year, per each periods. Uh, that's it, and we're gonna start with some questions, examples like that. So following recurrence relation can be used the modeling the compound interest investments of the $1,000 pay interest at rate of the 8% per annum. So which is you start with $1,000 and each year you're gonna increase by 8%, which is 0.08. So that's why it's R equal to 1 plus 0.08. And this is your recurrence relation. So we need to know how many years and how the investment looks like. So first question A, recurrence relation, find the value of investment after 1, 2, and 3 years. So after 1 year, which is your V0 equal to 1,000, and Vn plus 1 equal to 1.08 multiplied by V times n. So which means we need to know our after 1 year that equal to V0 plus 1. So that means 1.08 multiplied by 1,000. So that equal to $1,080. And after 2 years, so after 2 years, that equal to V1 plus 1, so which is 1.08, still 1.08 times $1,080. And use your cash calculator, you will find that equal to $1,166.4. And V3, which is V2 plus V1, which is after 3 years, that equal to 1.08 multiplied by 1166.4, that equal to $1,259.71. That's it. So first year, second year, and third year. That's it. And determine the value of the investment will be first exist to the $1,500. So that means Vn equal to $1,500. So we're not sure how we're gonna go through, how many years we're gonna go through. So because we know from question A is after third year you're heading to 1,259. So we just keep adding on for the next one. So we 3 plus 1, that equal to 1.08 multiplied by 1259.71. So that equal to $1,360.5. And V5 equal to V4 plus 1 equal to 1.08 multiplied by. So we both are using CAS calculator, okay? So we all using CAS to calculate these numbers. So please don't use the by hand, and you know it's hard to use by hand. So, and we just keep pressing the CAS calculator, and you will find. And keep going with 6 years, so equal to V5 plus 1, that equal to 1.08 times 1,469.33, approximately equal to 1,586.87. So which is after 6 years, and then the investment will exist $1,500. Yeah, that's it. So this is how you're gonna do these kind of questions. We both using CAS calculator, so there's nothing specific to do by hand. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. And we move on to example 2. So first question, we need to borrow the $6,000 from a bank. Interest will be the accurate for the rate of the 4.2%, which is 0.042 per annually. And then this is Vn, so which is we know Vn, that means they are after the n years, so which is question A, so which is after annually, so which is yearly. So Vn is the value of Sally loan the money. Sally's loan the money after n years, and interest rate is 4.2% per annum. So R equal to 1 plus 4.2 divided by 100, that equal to 1.042. And because V0 equal to 6,000, so Vn plus 1 equal to 1.042 Vn multiplied by Vn. Okay, multiplied by Vn. That's it. That's yearly. And now what we do is quarterly. So quarterly means like we separate the year per quarter. So first thing first, the interest rate is 4.2% per year. So quarterly, the quarterly quarterly interest rate is 4.2 divided by 4 equal to 1.05%. And the R equal to 1 plus 1.05 divided by 100, that equal to 1.0105. So V0 equal to 6,000. Vn plus 1 equal to 1.0105 multiplied by Vn. Yeah. And the last one is monthly. So each year we have 12 months. So monthly will be 4.2 divided by 12, that equal to your rate of monthly. So that equal to 0.35%, which is 0.0035. Now what we do is R equal to 1 plus 0.0035, 0.35 divided by 100, that equal to 1.0035. So V0 equal to 6,000, Vn plus 1 equal to 1.0035 multiplied by Vn. That's it. So this is all we need to know from the recurrence relation by the compound interest. So we now finished the 3H. So next one, we're going to talk about reducing balance, separations. So please stay with us, and then we're going to talk about next time.